Right, we have a hexagon and it's been divided into 6 regions by 3 of its diagonals. 2 of these regions have been shaded, and we're told that this area is 20, and we're asked for the area of the hexagon. So really we need to work out what one triangle is going to be worth, because although we can see that if I add 2 of these together, I'm going to get all of this. It's going to be hard to then relate it to this. I think you can kind of, the way I did this was to split it up into more triangles. I didn't do it in a particularly convincing way. It did give me the right answer, but I want to be more convincing here. So I'm going to do it like the way the solution suggests, and it is quite nice. I'm going to connect up 2 more of the diagonals. Now, I can convince myself, and I hope you can be convinced, that I now have lots of equilateral triangles. So this length here is the same as this length here and this length here. The reason being that I know that the angles in a hexagon are 120. So if I put the diagonal in like this and go through the center, then I'm going to split it into 60 and 60. And that's also going to be 60, which means that that is going to be 60. And further evidence is that I am splitting 360 into 6 pieces here. So I'm going to get 60. So you can see all these equilateral triangles. Now this vertical line down the middle will therefore split an equilateral triangle into 2 congruent triangles that are right-angled. And so this shaded area is going to be the same as this white area here, and actually these 4 as well. So, and I've got the same over here. So the only issue now is I've got this equilateral triangle, so I'm going to need to split that down the middle as well. And there we have it. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be 12 congruent right-angled triangles. Probably when you're doing this competition, you just kind of look at it and you think, yep, they're congruent. I'm going to assume that, and you answer the question as quickly as you can. I've not answered it in detail, but I think I've been comprehensive enough here to justify it. So what we see actually is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles is going to be 20 centimeters squared. I'm not going to write the centimeters squared in. So that would mean that one triangle I can just divide through by 5 is going to be 4 centimeters squared. And in total, I've got 12. So it's going to be 12 triangles is therefore going to be 48. And that's our answer. Now I've got to be honest, when I did this question, I didn't go through the middle. I kind of thought, oh yeah, I'm gonna put this in. That looks like it's two of these. So maybe I'll go like that and go like that and then that and that. So I kind of did the same sort of thing and I went with 5, but I think doing it this way is the clearest.